Sometimes, in WhatsApp, you might want to send the same message to a lot of people. That means you may want to send bulk messages. In that case, what you can do is send a broadcast message. You can create a broadcast list, and when you send a message to that list, everyone on it will receive it. So, with one click, you can send a message to many people. Plus, the recipients won't know it's a broadcast message, they'll think you sent it just to them. That's a nice touch. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to send a broadcast message in WhatsApp. To start, open the WhatsApp application. After that, you'll see 3 dots at the top. Tap on those 3 dots. When you do, you'll see a new broadcast option. Click on New Broadcast. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to your contacts. From there, select the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list. For example, I'm selecting this contact. If you want to add more contacts, there's a search option you can use. You can search for any contact from there. For instance, I'm searching for one contact and selecting them too. So, now I've added 2 contacts. After that, you'll see a checkmark button at the bottom. Click on that checkmark button. Now, your broadcast list will be created. One thing to note, the contacts won't know you've created a broadcast list, they won't get a notification about it. Anyway, to send a broadcaster message, just select this broadcast list. For example, I've created this list, so I'm selecting it. After that, you can type whatever message you want. Then, hit the send button. When you do, the message will be sent. An important point: it won't be sent as a group message. Each person will receive it as a separate message. If I go and check one contact from this broadcast list, I can see the message here. That means the message was sent individually. On my phone, I can see a broadcast icon, but on their phone, that icon won't appear. So, they won't know you sent a broadcast message. That's how you can easily send a broadcast message in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.